In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can navigate through AliExpress to manage and utilize your coins effectively. Let's start by heading over to AliExpress. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the AliExpress website URL. Once you're there, you'll see the homepage filled with various product categories and deals. Next, you'll want to locate your personal account area. If you're not signed in already, make sure to log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to your profile. You'll typically find this in the top right corner of the page. It might be represented by an icon or simply labeled as My Account. From your profile, look for the section labeled My Coins. Clicking on this will take you to a detailed overview of your current coin balance. Coins on AliExpress are essentially a reward system that allows you to save money on future purchases, so it's a good idea to keep track of how many you have at any given time. The more coins you collect, the more savings you can achieve. Now let's talk about earning more coins. While you're viewing your coin balance, the AliExpress platform may provide additional options or activities that let you earn more coins. Often, this involves using the AliExpress app rather than the website. You might find additional opportunities or daily tasks that, when completed, reward you with coins. These tasks could be anything from checking into the app daily, playing in-app games, or even shopping during promotional events. Once you've gathered enough coins, you can use them to receive discounts on future purchases. It's worth noting that coins are typically deducted automatically based on what's applicable when making a purchase. So, when you proceed to checkout with your desired item, the platform will apply any eligible coins to your total, reducing the overall cost. Always keep an eye on your coin balance and discount details at checkout to ensure you're using them effectively. For those frequently shopping on AliExpress, this coin system is a valuable tool to maximize savings with minimal extra effort. Making a habit of checking the app daily and participating in offered activities can really add up over time. Keep exploring various deals and promotions on AliExpress, and don't forget to utilize any additional benefits like coupons or flash sales that the platform offers. There you have it, a simple yet effective way to manage your AliExpress account and make the most of their rewarding coin system. Thanks for joining me in today's guide, and happy shopping.